Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where firmware update failed on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for Device Manager, expand the Device Manager, expand Firmware, right click on it, try to update the drivers. Okay, if it doesn't work, right click on it, select Properties. Go to the Firmware tab and then you can check the firmware version. The firmware vendor is Microsoft. In many cases, it would be the brand itself. So here's what you can do. You can download the updates manually, and with the latest update you will be able to download the latest firmware as well. So here's what you have to type: Microsoft update catalog and hit enter, and then go to Microsoft update catalog and type the latest month and year 082024. Hit enter, and then here's the latest cumulative update. Click on download corresponding to it, and then click on the MSU file. Click on open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.